So we want to find whether limit exists at certain point or not. So especially we have to be careful about the piecewise function. So this is one piecewise function. Let us find out whether limit exists at x is equal to 1 or not, whether limit exists at x is equal to 0 or not. Why we have taken 0 and 1 as our examination point? Because 3, 2x square and 2x, they are polynomial function and uh, they will have limit at all, all the points within their domain. But since it is a piecewise function, we have to check, or we have to carefully evaluate these functions at the boundary points. So boundary points are 0 and 1. So let us look into for x is equal to 1. So we will find out left hand limit. Left hand limit is given by limit x approaches 1 from left hand side. So if x approaches 1 from left hand side, that means we have to use from this piecewise function, we have to use 2x square. So we will write limit, or we can use better way, we can do like this. H tends to 0, f 1 minus h. This we will do. So now f1 minus h, that means we have to use limit h tends to 0 to 1 minus h whole square. Now, if you do the square part, this will be limit h tends to 0 to, so 1 minus h whole square will be 1 plus h square minus 2h. Now you just plug in the value of h as 0 here. So it will become 2. So left hand limit for x is equal to 1 is 2. Let us find out the right hand limit for this function at x is equal to 1. So where will be the change? The change will be in the x value. So now right hand limit we will find out. So a right hand limit will be given by limit x tends to 1 from right hand side. It can be also written as limit h tends to 0 f1 plus h. Now since function this piecewise function says that whenever x is greater than 1, you have to take this function. So we will use limit h tends to 0 and 2 1 plus h. So that will give us limit h tends to 0 2 plus 2h. Now individually plug in the value of h as 0. So we will get 2 here. So we can see that left hand limit was 2, right hand limit is also 2. So we will say that limit exists at x is equal to 1 and the value is 2. Now we will look into the existence of limit at x is equal to 0. So you have to properly mention that which function you are taking for which values of x. So now our target is to find out the limit existence at x is equal to 0. So we will first take the left hand limit. Left hand limit means we have to take limit x tends to 0 from left hand side. This can be written as limit h tends to 0 f 0 minus h. Now as per this piecewise function, whenever x is less than 0, we have to take 3. So we will simply write 3 here. No need to put h because it is independent of h. So left hand limit for x is equal to 0 is 3. Let us find out the right hand limit. The right hand limit will be limit x tends to 0 plus, that is x is approaching 0 from right hand side. So this we can write limit h tends to 0 f 0 plus h. Now as per this piecewise function, whenever x is greater than 0, we have to take 2x squared. So yes, we will use it. So we will say limit h tends to 0 2h square. Now plug in the value of h as 0 here, we will get 0. Now Here we can see that left hand limit for x is equal to 0 is 3, whereas right hand limit for x is equal to 0 is 0. So these two are not equal. So we will say that limit at x is equal to 0 does not exist. So in this way, we can find out whether limit at any point for a particular function exists or not. Thank you.